क्या सुबह उठते ही आपको कॉन्स्टिपेटेड फील होता है या फिर आप ब्लोटेड फील करने लगते हो? आपका पेट भरा भरा सा लगने लगता है? देन टुडेज वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू। सो आज हम करेंगे 5 मिनट्स का रियली सिंपल एंड इजी पिलाटीज फ्लो, जो कि आपके डाइजेशन सिस्टम को नेचुरली सपोर्ट करेगा थ्रू ब्रीदिंग एंड सिंपल ट्विस्ट्स। सो आप ये एक्सरसाइज सुबह उठते ही यू कैन डू इट फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग बिफोर हैविंग योर कॉफ़ी, और आई एम श्योर दिस विल हेल्प you big time if you do it daily for 5 minutes. So let's get started.
Sit tall and cross-legged if comfortable. Inhale deeply into your belly, not your chest. And exhale slowly, twice as long as your inhale. Feel your belly soften with every exhale. No rushing. Do it at your own pace. And repeat 5 full breaths. Now lengthen through the crown of your head and inhale to prepare. And exhale to twist gently. Keep both sit bones and your butt cheeks grounded. And let the twist come from your ribs, not your neck. Return to center with control. And repeat the same on the other side. Inhale and exhale to twist gently. Inhale and come to the center. And exhale to twist. Do it at your own pace. Amazing job, everyone. Now gently lie on your back and hug your knee. If you wish, you can hug both the knees at the same time and rock gently side to side. Let your lower back release into the mat and breathe into any tight spots. Hold for 5 deep breaths, and you'll feel all the discomfort that's been worrying you since morning is now vanishing into thin air. Hug your knees as tight as you can without arching your back. Nice and gently. Now come down to all your fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale gently. And exhale, round your spine. And draw a navel up. Inhale, gently arch through your spine, and as you exhale, round your spine and draw your navel up. Move slowly with every breath, not against it. Now repeat it for 6 more rounds. Slowly and gently. Exhale as you round up.
So I hope कि आपको ये 5 मिनट का पिलाटीज फ्लो काफ़ी पसंद आया होगा. एंड अगर आप ब्लोटिंग, कॉन्स्टिपेशन या फिर गैस से रेगुलरली सफ़र करते हैं, देन मेक श्योर टू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स कि आपको ये वर्कआउट करने के बाद कैसा फील हुआ. एंड या, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. And